Well, today I'm gonna do a blue birdish looking thing, I guess you could say. So, and I got my friend holding a mirror for me.
Hey, how you doing?
Oh, hold up, there we go. So, yeah, let's get started. First, I use some Merle Norman moisturizer, which I use every day. So, in videos, I'm not just gonna tell you what moisturizer, because you already know now.
Unless they don't watch all your videos.
That's true. So I should say it, huh?
Just put it in the description.
Okay. So, rub it all over your face. Merle Norman is the best you could use.
Hang on, I'm trying to get you something to get your hair out your face.
Oh no, I like it in my face.
But it's easier to get.
So, then I use Merle Norman Quick Drying Foundation.
Bless you.
Thank you. Quick Drying Foundation. So you have to rub it in really quick.
You need to rub this in first.
Did I get it?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is what a mirror's for.
I know. I couldn't see it. Down, down, right there. So you want to get in little spots real quickly, and then you gotta rub it all the way in. Now the reason I do it on my neck is because it makes it look more real. Like it's actually your skin color until they look at your arms and your legs. And well, you gotta rub it in real good before it dries. Alright, now that we got that down, we're gonna do some Merle Norman sheer face powder. So, hey Miss Sammy, first you do rub it all over. You can come in the video if you want to be on YouTube.
I don't think so.
So you rub it all in, and it's Merle Norman too.
I don't care.
She's just in there looking at us.
She told me I look like a hoe.
She did for real?
Yes. See, I knew your freaking makeup looks like a hoe.
So if I put that right here, as long as I don't spill.
If you spill it, you're gonna buy me a new bed thing.
That does not count. There's 2 drops. Look, it's not even that bad.
See, I didn't even see that.
Oh, I thought you did. Alright, so now we're going with a really light blue color. And you just want to get, you gotta kind of come out a little. You gotta get it right there on the eyelid, or what I like to call the ball of the eyelid.
How are you gonna complain when your eyes are small too?
I think I'm just used to my eyes, not yours.
Well, I won't be here all next time.
Yes, you will.
You looking like no hoe again.
You gotta get it all right there. You kind of get it a little dark, but at the same time, don't. Not too dark. So, yeah. You're gonna see Rihanna in a lot of my videos, either us acting stupid or me doing her makeup. And next time, I'm probably gonna try to make her look like a clown instead of a hoe, since she claims I make her look like a hoe. Her mom just told her she was like a hoe. That's pretty funny. Alright, so now I'm using a darker blue. Not too dark, but it's darker. And I'm just gonna get it right at the top of the end, right there.
So tell us, where did you get this foundation?
Merle Norman.
Where's that at?
You can find them close to the mall in Cortana in Louisiana. Or you can find it in Clinton, no, Zachary, where they have them at. Alright. So, get your brush wet again. Oh, by the way, that helps you, if you wet your brush, it helps you, like, keep your color longer and it makes it brighter. And I really like bright. Then I'm going with the darkest blue there is in my palette, which is pretty dark. So you're going to want it right at the top.
Who's your role model that you get your makeup designs from?
I get my makeup designs from Nicki Minaj or people I just see in the streets and stuff like that. But I mostly just come up with the stuff for myself. My favorite makeup thing is Nicki Minaj's video Super Bass. I love her eyeshadow on that. And she's one of my inspirers that I like to look like when I get older. But at the same time, I don't want to look like her. Because she kind of,
No offense to the people.
no offense if y'all are Barbies. Alright, now you want to go back over the two bases, and I got plenty of time left. So, go back to that lightish blue, but not too light blue, and do your crease again.
There you go, you got the name right.
Okay.
You got makeup on your
My what? Oh. Then you want to go back to the really light blue.
for the what?
The eyelid, or the ball of the eye, as I like to call it. And then, let's see, do I need it? Do I need to redo the dark blue or no? No. Just want to get all that ugly excess off. Okay. So, now we're done with not foundation. Now we're done with eyeshadow. So, we're going on to eyeliner. My favorite eyeliner is black, and I get my eyeliner from Walmart, Target, or things like that.
The major.
The major name brand for eyeliner?
Yeah.
I like Infallible. Yeah, Infallible 16 hour. Um, it's just something I kind of stuck with after one time when I used it. I could also do liquid eyeliner or any other type of eyeliner there is, because I'm really good at makeup. I love it. I do makeup almost every single day, if not then every single day. Rihanna, how long have you been doing your makeup? The little bit that you do.
2 years maybe?
I've been doing mine for 3 or 4.
I don't like wearing makeup. One side's dark, like fatter than the other.
It's what?
Hang on. Yeah, one side's fatter than the other. See it?
On eyeliner?
Yeah.
It does that. I hate that. Is that better?
Yeah.
Okay.
Talk. Do
See,
something.
I have my own little signature on my eyeliner, and that's what I just kind of do with my makeup. It shows that I did it, and I do it on every person I do makeup for. I'm still in school, but I'm going to college for cosmetology. I'm gonna get a degree in something before I go to beauty school. And then,
Just in case that fails.
it is not going to fail. Don't even say stuff like that. God, before you have me spaz out on camera.
What's next?
Well, my
We don't know what
favorite
that is.
mascara. So what you do is you just like get at the eyelashes. This is one of my favorite types because it curls. What?
The base of the eyelash.
Yeah, like the base of your eyelash, I guess you would say. And it kind of like curls your eyelashes. And yeah.
Just keep on doing your makeup. We got all the time in the world.
Why are you staring at me?
This is fun. No, get out, get out. Coco, no. Coco, no. No.
Coco, yes.
No, she's gonna spill the water.
Oh, Coco, no. Then you do another, well, I do another type of mascara called lash ink, which I do for the bottom
Because why?
because it don't curl and it's easier to use.
Okay.
Yeah, my contact. So I plan on doing.
It got your hair.
That was the first time I ever did that. Stop moving the mirror.
My arm hurt. Alright. You done? Wait, lipstick.
And blush. And all. Alright, well that's it. Bye.